Orlando Pirates salaries as of 2025. Beginning the list with the least paid player at Orlando Pirates, it's Azolo Chobeni, who earns 13,750. This is how much Rasebocha makes weekly. He makes 16,000. And Bata makes 17,000, approximately 18. And Timo Leleki makes 18,590, followed by Radio Pane, who earns 18,948. Jimo Sele earns 25 Gs, and Kim Vidi earns 26,630. DM Vieira earns 30,000 weekly, and if this surprises you, wait till you see Mofokeng's one. Thabiso Sesane earns 30,000 too, and Dladla, the youngster, earns 32,452. And D Van Rooyen is well upgraded, he earns 58,700. And Sibisi, the captain, earns 62,630. Zakes Zakhele Lepasa earns 65,800. And Lebito earns 65,940. Timonyane is on 65,944, and Philip Dlodlo is on 67,277. Tapelo Kogi earns 67,372 rands per week. Bandile Shandu earns 67,950. The number one shortstopper, Mbutselezi, earns 68,690. Mohan Kota is paid this amount just to show up every week, imagine. And Kabelo Dlamini is on 74,949. This is how much Paseka Marco makes, 75 Gs weekly. Can you believe it? This is Sipo Chine's weekly income, 76 Gs. Is it worth it though? Miguel Team earns 83,030. Oli Sanda is on 85,270. Makahlene Makaula earns 86,950 rands weekly. Balling on a budget is Dion Hort, who earns 87,210. Saling earns 87,340. Followed by Innocent Mayelo, who's on 87,900. Evidence Mahopa is on 98 Gs. Tito is on 114 Gs. Mofokeng is on 185 Gs. And the most paid player at Orlando Pirates is Sehofazo Mabasa, who earns 236,000 per week. Well, that was it. Don't forget to watch the Orlando Pirates Team Car Collection 2025. Bye.